So, you're gearing up for an interview. Well, you'll need to do more than just tell people what you can do. You'll have to show them your skills firsthand. Think you have what it takes? Get ready for your upcoming interview by trying out this self-assessment. Build something. You can talk the talk, but make sure you can walk the walk too. Making something is useful for bulking up your programming portfolio. If you're just starting out, you could contribute to open source projects. There are ample opportunities to dive in and fix bugs, build out sites, and even try your hand at documentation. Chances are, you'll also walk away with a new or more refined skill. Join a community. There's no better way to get a handle on where you could strengthen your skills than by talking to other programmers. No matter how good of a programmer you are, there will always be people out there who are just a bit better. So reach out and ask the right questions. And if you find yourself chatting with a rookie programmer, don't forget to pay it forward and answer any questions they may have. Talk about yourself. While each company will always be different, find out about common interview questions. Know how to talk about your leadership experience, details about projects you've worked on, and how you manage time. And make sure you can show what you know too. Groom your GitHub account for tech recruiters. It's not the same thing as a resume, but it's another way to display your experience and actual coding prowess. Know the lingo. You really do know how to talk the talk. While you may not think that talking about programming is an actual part of the job of being a programmer, think again. Not only will you need to be able to articulate your experience with specifics during an interview, but you'll also have to be able to clearly talk about your work with colleagues. Periodically test yourself by defining terms or describing data structures. Practice whiteboard coding. Of course, when you do land an interview with a company you want to work for, expect to face a programming skills test. You won't be able to perform well in a programming skill test without the knowledge, and you won't be able to perform within the time limit if you don't practice. Test yourself to be able to do both well, and you'll have a leg up for the real thing. Temper your nerves by completing coding exercises with a timer. Learn something new. There is always something new on the horizon for developers. Whether you're still learning one language or you're a seasoned pro, don't let that stop you from adding another one to your wheelhouse. Keep up with trends, test yourself from time to time, and consider enrolling in a self-guided course to learn new languages or processes. Don't let nerves get the better of you. Prepare for your upcoming interview or just sharpen your skills with these handy exercises. Reach out to learn more about testing yourself or see how we can help you find your next hire.